Hello, I'm Fabian Aschwanden, Head of Passive Safety at DTC Dynamic Test Center. We have been in operations doing vehicle safety testing for nearly 13 years. Today we are testing Betaseal 1585 from DuPont according to FMVSS 212 standards for windshield retention. Let's get ready to go!
Hello, I'm Nina Hillesheim from DuPont. DuPont has been bringing innovations to the auto glass replacement market for over 60 years. This includes being first to market with a one-part cold applied adhesive. Introducing a new product is always very exciting. New Betaseal 1585 is a good example of continued innovation. Betaseal 1585 provides high viscosity for excellent link-up strength for ADAS recalibration and 30 minutes drive away time. High modulus to maintain structural integrity at original equipment levels and reduce wind and road noise, especially important for electrical vehicles. And non-conductive formulation to reduce interference with radio, GPS, mobile phones and other driver aid technologies.
The test results speaks for itself. Our application development expertise and in-house testing helps ensure this successful outcome every time. Betaseal 1585 is designed to enable fast and accurate recalibration of ADAS equipment. The quality of the bond reduces wind and vibration noise. And of course, like all of our automotive adhesives, Betaseal 1585 supports safety and vehicle structural integrity. We are ready to work with you so that you can see all of Betaseal 1585 benefits for yourself.